In the complex world of financial markets, only those traders can consistently profit who are able to identify the best entry and exit points in their trades. To achieve this, having a powerful strategy is essential. Today, we will explore one of the most robust and widely used strategies that can transform your trading style, provided you master it completely: the ICT model and the concept of optimal trade entry, or OTE. Before introducing OTE, let's highlight the advantages of this entry technique and how identifying the best entry points can make a significant difference. By deeply understanding this technique, you can experience trades with minimal risk and maximum return. This is a principle followed by all professional traders. Introduction to OTE and OTZ. OTZ, or the optimal trade zone, is a key area during price retracements, located between the 61.8% and 78.6% Fibonacci levels. Optimal trade entry, OTE, means entering trades within this zone, where the probability of a price reversal is highest, minimizing trade risk. Using Fibonacci zones alone is not enough. You may have noticed that sometimes prices react beautifully to these Fibonacci levels, while at other times they seem to ignore them altogether. But why does the market behave this way? Today we'll reveal this market trap, helping you end your losses. The main reason Fibonacci zones work exceptionally well at times is due to their confluence with other support and resistance levels, which greatly enhances their power and can even change the price direction. From now on, you will no longer use Fibonacci in isolation, and you will witness a transformation in your trading results. Structure analysis and identifying impulse waves. Price movements in the market are always seen in two types of waves: impulsive waves that indicate a strong trend and corrective waves that refer to temporary pullbacks against the trend. Our goal is to identify the end of corrections and the start of new impulsive waves, where the probability of price continuation is higher and entries can be highly profitable. In essence, we are looking to find areas where the likelihood of price moving in our favor increases, and this can be achieved. How to use Fibonacci in the OTE model. One of the key tools used to identify OTE is the Fibonacci retracement tool. By plotting Fibonacci levels on impulsive price waves, we can predict potential retracement areas, meaning areas where the price, after reaching them, is likely to reverse due to the high number of orders placed there. The Fibonacci tool consists of various levels, but you should focus on those zones that provide the highest efficiency. The area between the 61.8% and 78.6% Fibonacci levels is closely watched by professional traders for potential trade entries. Executing the trade. Optimal trade entry, OTE, based on ICT analysis. After identifying the optimal zone, the professional trader enters the trade. By placing the stop loss below the recent swing and setting appropriate profit targets, you can achieve a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. As previously mentioned, just as identifying the entry point is crucial, the exit point is equally important because it directly impacts both your risk-to-reward ratio and the win rate of your strategy. One of the best areas to place your stop loss in this strategy is below the previous low, because if the price falls below this zone, the overall scenario has likely changed. So always keep this in mind. Your stop loss should be placed in a zone where, if hit, the scenario should shift entirely. The golden rule of the strategy: to increase your win rate, combine multiple reasons for entry. Simply put, do not enter a trade based on a single factor. For example, if you want to open a buy position, do not act just because of one signal. By increasing the number of reasons that align with your buy decision, your chances of hitting the target will increase significantly. Conclusion and key takeaways: the ICT model and the concept of OTE are powerful tools for professional traders. By practicing and mastering these methods, you too can achieve more precise and profitable entries in the market. Always remember, success in financial markets requires discipline, patience, and thorough analysis. Thank you for being with us so far. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because in the next videos we will teach more diverse strategies. Our only goal is to benefit you,